Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what could easily be the best red athletic dress you'll find this season, the QINSEN Women's Square Neck Tennis Dress. Whether you're hitting the tennis court, playing golf, or just looking for a sporty yet stylish outfit, this dress is designed to keep you comfortable and confident all day long. Right off the bat, the QINSEN tennis dress stands out with its vibrant red color and sleek square neckline. The design is not only modern but also incredibly functional. Made from a premium blend of 78% nylon and 22% spandex, the fabric feels super soft against the skin while offering just the right amount of stretch. It's lightweight, breathable, and moisture-wicking, meaning it helps keep you dry and cool during intense workouts or warm summer days. One of the smartest features of this dress is the built-in shorts underneath. These aren't just any shorts. They are fully lined with mesh for added breathability and freedom of movement. So you get the coverage you need without any restriction, allowing you to move confidently whether you're serving on the court or running errands afterward. Plus, the shorts come with handy side pockets, perfect for stashing your keys, cards, or small essentials. The dress itself has a flattering A-line miniskirt that flares gently, creating a feminine silhouette that's both sporty and chic. The adjustable spaghetti crossback straps allow you to customize the fit for your comfort, while the sleeveless cut enhances breathability and ease of movement. This dress balances fashion and functionality effortlessly, making it versatile enough to wear beyond just athletic activities. Caring for this dress is easy too, with just a hand wash recommended to keep the fabric in top condition. It's imported and crafted with quality in mind, promising durability for your active lifestyle. In terms of sizing, it comes in small, medium, large, and extra large, so there's an option for various body types. The material's stretchiness means it hugs the body nicely without feeling tight or restrictive, providing a sleek fit that moves with you. At the price point, this dress offers excellent value. It combines professional-grade fabric technology with stylish design elements that are rare to find in athletic dresses, especially in such a bold and eye-catching red. If you're searching for a tennis dress that doubles as an everyday athletic dress with smart features like built-in shorts and pockets, the QINSEN Women's Square Neck Tennis Dress is a standout choice. Its breathable, stretchy fabric, adjustable straps, and practical design make it a must-have for anyone wanting to blend performance with style. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you enjoyed this review, be sure to like and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns. Let us know in the comments what athletic wear you'd like us to check out next.